Hey everyone, Danny here from SMV Virtual Consulting. Today I'm walking you through Fillout Approvals, a feature that makes it easier to manage approvals for things like job applications, purchase requests, and so much more. If you're new to Fillout, I recommend checking out my Fillout Basics video, linked in the description or up here, to get familiar with the platform. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open up your Fillout and locate the Fillout form that you want to go ahead and work out. We're going to go straight into here, and then you're going to click on the Integrate tab at the top of the screen. Then you're going to locate the Workflows tab at the top to view your approvals section that we're going to work in. So here's the approvals, and we're going to go ahead and click this, Approve or Reject. Then click Create Workflow at the bottom right-hand corner. Okay, so I want to set a request approval via Slack once a form is submitted. So in order to do that, we're going to go into this approval box right here. We're going to hit Edit. And it looks like there's already a Slack connection. Let's go ahead and go through the steps in order to create a new Slack connection. We're going to exit out of this page. We're going to go back here, and we're going to go to the Integrate tab. We're going to click on the Slack square and see there's already these created. Let's create a new account. And so we'll do Fillout Approval Demo. And then connect to Slack. And it already has a connection with my Slack workspace. So this will be pretty easy. So we're going to go ahead, Allow. And we're going to select a channel. After your channel is selected, go ahead and finish setup and hit Publish Now. Then we're going to move back to our original workflow, go back over here, and now as you can see, when you go to the Edit button, we are going to select Slack channel for request approval by, and then our Slack account that we just connected, and we're going to put it in the channel called Approvals Demo. Before testing the workflow integration, make sure to edit both the send email settings for approve and reject. This ensures the correct message is sent to the right email address. Once updated, click Done to save your changes. And so we're going to go into Edit, and you need to send it to the email of the applicant. And here's the subject: your submission has been approved, and send email from, we're choosing support at SMV Virtual Consulting, but you can connect whatever email, Gmail account that you would like to by clicking this down arrow and then send from your Gmail. Moving on to advanced, we're going to click this down arrow and see right here is where you can add attachment. You can CC or BC someone, and then you can do reply to. This is the default, but you can go ahead and add whatever email you would like in here that you would like that applicant to reply to. So once you're done with that, go over here to the email section up at top, and this originally was a very impersonal message, and I recommend going in and typing in something that's a little bit more personable that you would like it to be emailed. Because once the person goes in and approves this and Fillout, it will automatically send this email to the applicant. And then once you hit done, it go ahead and saves everything. So go ahead and repeat the exact same steps for the denial send email portion over here. Now let's test the Slack integration by submitting a test application by clicking the test in the upper right-hand corner. Now click Run Workflow. As you can see, it's waiting for approval. So now let's go over to my Slack channel to see if it's in my channel. As you can see, it's in my Approvals Demo channel, and it looks like all the information is right here, and we're going to go ahead and click Approve. And that's it. And if you want to go ahead and add an extra step into your workflow, you can do so by exiting out of this connection. And just so you know, you can go ahead and connect the connection again by clicking and dragging, but go ahead and exit out of this connection, hit this plus sign, and it opens up several different options for you to go ahead and add into your workflow, from send an email to setting up Twilio to send out an SMS to even adding an extra approval step. That's everything you need to get started with Fillout approvals. With notifications, multi-step workflows, and automation options, you can set up a process that works exactly how you need it to. By now, you should have a solid idea of how to use approvals in your own workflow. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my Fillout Basics video for more tips. See you in the next one.